Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a scrapbook with me. I got this scrapbook, if you will, from Michaels, and it's just a spiral bound notebook. I like to use this instead of like a traditional style scrapbook because it's just got a little extra room to work with, so you can really make the pages as thick as you want. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I always like to start by just gathering some pictures up and assessing how much space it's going to take up. So I only have 5 pictures this time, and I'm going to cut them out, you'll see later. So I think it's only going to take like 1 page, so I'm not going to do a double spread layout today. So before I even pick out like a background page, I like to cut out all the blank space in the pictures and just arrange them on the page how I like. So I'm going to do that. This is a little sticker that I saw on the street as we were walking to the venue, and I thought it was really cute. So I took a little picture and I'm going to cut that out. I'm trying to think if I like any more of these stickers enough to cut them out. Maybe these little guys. Focus. I don't know. I'll just put this to the side for now and maybe I'll decide later. This is a picture of my boyfriend modeling the merch that we got at the show for his new album, Life's Going Great. So I'm just gonna cut like all of this background space. Like I can see a person in the background and like all this like darkness. That just takes up too much space on the page, so I like to get rid of as much of it as possible. I also really hate like sharp corners like this, so I'm just gonna try and like round it out a bit. There we go. This looks a little silly because his arm got cut off, so I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I might like layer it so it's not as noticeable. I don't know. Another thing I don't like is these like straight lines, so I'm probably gonna try and put this picture right here so it looks like intentionally cut off and not just cut off because of the way I took the picture. So this picture's a little tricky because I don't know if I want like the drum set or the lighting in the background, like these lights. I don't know. I think I'll come back to this one because I don't really know my direction for this one. This one for sure I just want to cut me and Emin out. By the way, this was really cool. Emin's a really nice guy. He came out after the show and he sang an extra song and he was taking pictures with everyone who waited. So that was really cool to be able to meet him. Okay, so I think I decided I'm going to cut right along here and cut out the drums and the stage and just have like the lights and the banner. Because I think if I cut out the lights, there's just going to be these weird lines on the banner. I don't know. Maybe up here in this corner would look better. I think I'm just going to try and cut out the lights because I just don't like how it's looking. Okay, I didn't like how that looked, so I brought out my Instax printer and I'm just going to print it, and this makes it look like a little Polaroid, and I think that'll add some fun new texture and design to the page. There we go. And I think that I'm gonna put this right here, but we'll wait until it develops to see how that's gonna look. Okay, so while that was developing, I realized that I had a lot of like blank space here that I didn't really have any pictures to fill it with. So I just went on the internet and I found this Games We Play logo, and I think I'm gonna put this here along with some star doodles. I just printed this on sticker paper to make it easier to put down later, and then I fussy cut all of these out, but you could use your Cricut to do this. I just didn't. I don't know, I was feeling extra today. So now I'm gonna play around with the placement of the stars and the pictures and the sticker, and see what I like, and then we'll go from there. So that was pretty quick. I think I'm happy with the layout of this. So I'm just gonna take a picture on my phone just so I can remember what it looks like. And then I'm going to look through my scrapbook paper or my cardstock to see if I have a background color. I'm thinking yellow because the Life's Going Great album cover is yellow, so I think that that would look really good and fit the aesthetic of this. Okay, so I found this yellow, which is like the perfect yellow for the cover. So now I'm just gonna move all of this off. And I like to glue this on. And it should be just like the perfect size to fit on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tape this down with a tape runner. So I got this tape runner from Michaels, and I like to use this to glue down like big pieces of paper. And I got this tape runner in a pack from Hobby Lobby, and I like to use this for like little pictures and stuff like that. So to tape this down, I'm going to use this big tape runner. Okay, so now I'm just going to reference this picture I took of the layout, and I'm going to start putting it all back together. Okay, now that I have all of that stuck down, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie pen. You could use really any type of pen that you want. I know that people like to use fine liners and stuff like that, but this is just what I have on hand, and I think the whole point of scrapbooking is just to use like your scraps. So I'm gonna go in and put little captions for each of the photos. Okay, next I like to add embellishments to fill in like some of this blank space. This could be like ephemera you have from the concert, like maybe like a wristband or a ticket or something like that. I unfortunately don't have anything like that, so I'm just gonna go through my sticker collection and see what I can add to this. So I thought that these little stars and this washi tape would look cool. So I'm just going to play around with it and see where it looks good. And then I'll stick it down. So I decided I already have a lot of stars on the page, so I'm not gonna add any more stars. I think I might just add some little doodles, but not with my Sharpie pen. I want a little bit of a thicker line because the stars have a thick line. So I think I'm just gonna take like a Sharpie marker or a normal black marker and draw on here. Okay, so I pulled out some more stickers. These are just my go-to stickers whenever I need to fill like little spaces like this. I got this off of Amazon and it comes with a bunch of really fun designs. I think I'm going to look for either yellow or black to just fill in all of these little blank spaces we have. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. We've got a bunch of different elements and textures going on, and I think that's really fun. I wish there was a little more color on this page, but yellow is such a hard color to work with, I feel like. But overall, I think that this page turned out really well. Let me know what you think in the comments.